And welcome back to the CSV community channel. Today we're going to be looking at another tool in the OSINT series, and the tool is called Torcrawl. Now this is basically a web crawler, right? And it's written in Python, and as you can see it crawls and extracts web pages through Tor network. So Tor is kind of a proxy, it's a chain of proxy, and that's what this tool uses in order to extract and crawl different web pages on the on different websites, right? So if you're on your Kali machine or some other Linux, you can go ahead and git clone this and follow the installation, which I suppose they should have. Yeah, there's the installation. So you just have to pip install -r requirements, and also you need Tor, right? So apt get install Tor if you don't have it already. If you're on Kali, you already have it pre-installed. So, acha. So a couple of different precautions before you use this. Over here, crawling is not illegal, but violating copyrights is. So it's always best to double check a website's TNC before crawling them. Some websites set up what's called robots.txt. So if you go to any website, right, like I'm over here at github.com, and you /robots.txt, you will see all these different folders or pages that say disallow in front. So these are all the different pages and web pages and directories that crawlers are not allowed to go in. And that's what this tool does, is it bypasses that. So be sure whatever you're doing is within the legal bounds, is what the author of this tool is saying, right? And it does take some time because it's a chain of proxies, so of course the tool takes some time to complete the whole scan. So with that said, let's get into how this tool actually works. So if you happen to have a teacher guide Linux, you already have the tool. You just have to simply type in the tool's name. So I'm going to go ahead and type in Torcrawl Py. Oops. Okay, so it's already installed, and these are all my different options. So I'm going to go ahead and going to put this -h to see what this is. So what you can see over here is -v for verbose and -u where you'll provide the URL. So let me go ahead and try and do some crawling. So we'll just put in -v and -u for our URL, and I'll just type in github.com, and I'll save this, save the output of the whole crawling into GitHub, right? So I'm using the same website as they have given in the example right here, and so be sure whatever you guys are doing is legal too, all right? So we're just gonna put a HTML at front, and because this is going to be a web page, so it's going to render. So let's go ahead and press enter. Tor is ready. Folder created. So there's our folder and there's our file. Another thing is you need to start your service Tor start like this, right? Mine is already started, so yep, it's active. And you see, so make sure you've started that, right? So this is our This is where it's saved. So let's just go ahead into github.com, and here we'll have github.htm. So let me just go ahead and open this up. github.com. So this is the HTML file that our tool just extracted. So it's just it rendered it, and it's a GitHub site, a GitHub page, content. So the other thing that you can do over here is look for uh, specific words in like web pages. So this command right here is going to search for GitHub and just grab the Google Analytics term, right? So it's going to extract to terminal, finally find only line with Google Analytics. So what this does is um, extracts only those lines that have Google Analytics in it. So we'll go ahead and try this out. So here you guys, as you can see, we have typed in the command. So it's going to crawl GitHub and search for Google Analytics. So let's go ahead and press enter. So there you have your keyword search. It has grabbed the line where it found Google Analytics. So you can do a lot of stuff with this. Search for different keywords in their source code. Um, so other stuff that you can do with it. So you can crawl the web pages without the use of Tor as well. And you can also crawl a page and extract the web pages into a single folder. So if you're somebody who wants to crawl a certain website or any web page, and you want to look for a specific term in their code in an HTML page, so you can use this, you can make use of this, and it comes pre-installed in T-Guy Linux. So if you have that, that'd be great. And if you don't have it, well, you can always git clone it from their official GitHub webpage. So that'd be it for this video. Hope you liked it. If you did, do leave a like and suggest any do comment any suggestions if you happen to have. That'd be it.